The Cuisinart Griddler gets a sleek, contemporary look and innovative functions with the Cuisinart Griddler 5. All the classic cooking methods you want, like contact grill, panini press, grill, griddle, and full or half griddle now come with user-friendly digital precision controls, easy-to-use countdown timer, and a brilliant LCD display. Simply set the function, temperature, and time, and let the Griddler 5 cook your favorite foods to perfection. With 5-in-1 cooking options, you can prepare hash browns, crisp bacon, and make blueberry pancakes all at the same time. Or grill up tangy and onion Gruyere burgers, or even a chocolate hazelnut panini as a special treat for dessert. You can prepare an entire meal in 15 minutes or less, including cleanup. The Griddler 5 features an adjustable floating cover, stay-cool stainless steel handlebar, and the reversible, removable cooking plates are completely dishwasher safe. With adjustable temperatures from 175 to 450 degrees, you can lightly toast a panini or sear your steak to perfection and use the 2-minute sear function for lightning fast results. All of the features you love with a simple modern design. The Cuisinart Griddler 5 is the ultimate addition.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Griddle. Don't let the size fool you. It's a powerhouse that does it all. Do you feel like grilling up some burgers, steaks, or shrimp? You got it. How about a griddle for making pancakes and eggs? Easy. But what about steak and eggs? No problem. The 3-in-1 comes with 2 reversible nonstick plates. Each plate has a side with ridges for grilling, and the other side is flat and smooth for when you need a griddle. There are 2 separate temperature controls so you can grill meats on one side and cook pancakes and eggs on the other. The grease channel is in the center with a removable tray for easy cleanup. The tray and the 2 grids are dishwasher safe. Now that's good thinking.
Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees. Ditch the traditional grill and discover fun new ways to enjoy your summer cookouts.
Zojirushi's Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle is a versatile kitchen countertop appliance that lets you prepare delicious foods for any meal of the day. The extra-large cooking surface accommodates pancakes, eggs, and sausage for that perfect hearty breakfast, or burgers, steaks, even stir-fry for a satisfying dinner. The removable temperature control plug is easy to use and clicks when inserted correctly. The Sizzler has variable heat settings from 176 to 425 degrees, allowing you to cook foods to perfection and keep them warm. The heating component was designed for even heat distribution, with no hot or cool spots on the surface, so all foods will be cooked evenly. And what sets this griddle apart from others is this convenient lid, which not only helps with even cooking, but cuts down on cooking time and allows you to make delicious steamed foods, such as vegetables or dumplings. Zojirushi prides itself on making quality products that are made for everyday use. The ceramic cooking plate has a titanium-enhanced nonstick coating, which, along with the diamond patterned surface, makes the unit both durable and easy to clean. All parts disassemble for cleaning, and the body guard and cooking plate can be immersed in water. Zojirushi products are made with safety in mind. The unit has a low-profile design, and the cooking plate sits inside the body guard to protect against scalding. In addition, the griddle will not heat up unless all parts have been properly installed. The unit can be easily transported because the handles are heat resistant. For extra convenience, a stainless steel spatula is included. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.